Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Miracles happen when you forgive. You were born with the capacity to forgive, but you learn the opposite behavior. You learn not to forgive, you practice not to forgive, and you master not to forgive. When you learn to let go of your pride and ask for forgiveness, miracles start to happen in your life. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close up 6, NASDAQ up 23, S&P's up 4.5, gold contract up $2.10, trading at $1,266 an ounce. Silver down 11 cents, trading at $17.32 an ounce. Platinum down $5, $9.44 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.58 a pound. Light sweet crude down 40 cents, $49.22 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year note up 3 ticks, 125.21. 30-year bond up 5 ticks, 152.26. King dollar up 50 ticks, trading at 98.970. The euro's at 108 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111.15 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You had the SPY close out at 238.60, and 238.60, we did volume out here, folks, of 49 million. You had a volume of 84 yesterday. You're going into 149 million. Now, it's pretty wild is that the SPY closed at 238.60. It is actually still trading at it's up 14 cents, 238.74. With that said, the volatility is out here in spades. You had Amazon come out with numbers. Amazon closed at $918. That's trading at $958 right now. Google came out with numbers. Google closed at $874. That's trading at $900. Microsoft, MSFT, Microsoft closed at $68.27. That's trading at $66. Intel come out with numbers. That's closed at $37.43. That's trading at $36.21 right now. We go over to the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials closed up $6. Bottom line, light volume. Dow's going to try to get into and up into this high, but bottom line is having a tough time getting into the bar of the 1st of March, rather. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract rejected lower price. We got down to a price point of $12.61. You did 201,000 contracts. Bottom line, you're coming against a strength from the 11th of April, and we'll see whether they get a sign of strength. There's no more. The sellers are lacking inside the gold market right now. We'll see whether we get a sign of strength in that. If we go over to the, we'll just switch gears and go to the dollar for a second. What you're going to see inside the dollar, you have sellers in the dollar, and you get sellers in the dollar in a big way. Now, what's intriguing here, we did 40,000 contracts, and that's big contract volume, folks, inside the dollar. It got to a price point of 99.210. Yesterday was 99.205. Gave it up once again. Bottom line, what does that set up? That sets up, number one, a test of the high of today, because you get the volume. We'll see whether it can hold again. There's a seller that's laying there right at this gap at the 99.290 area in a huge way. We go over to the bonds. The bonds want higher price, lower yield. It's pretty amazing watching this whole bond market shake out. So we have inside the bond market right now, the 10-year is trading at 125.21. And what you have there is bottom line, you rejected lower price. Once again, this wants higher price, lower yield. 30-year, same type of setup inside your 30-year. 30-year also is looking for higher price, lower yield. 30-year is at 152.25. Now, both the 10 and the 30, folks, they're over their 4-month consolidation. That's a big number. That consolidation, laying out here 152.04. It's over it, building cars for the next leg up inside the marketplace. Silver, we go take a look at the silver market. What we have with silver up here, silver is trading at a price point of $17.30. Silver needs some action. Bottom line is that silver hasn't been able to hold price. We are down at the $17.30 level. Let's go into the 3Qs, because after the close, these NDX stocks, no doubt, are moving. The 3Qs closed at 135.60. That is trading at 136.20 right now. So bottom line, that the Qs have juice in them after the close. Go back to Google for a second. Google's trading up $35. Amazon is trading up $45. Microsoft is just the let's go see if Starbucks come out yet. SBUX. Starbucks closed at 61.28. That's trading at 59. And numbers on Starbucks, they made their bottom line number 45 cents, 45 cents. Let's go back to Google for a second and see what they're saying number-wise. So number-wise, Google was looking to make $7.42. It made $7.73. Amazon, let's see what Amazon has to say. Amazon, their estimate, look at Amazon, blew things away. Holy cow. Amazon, the number was $1.08. Amazon made $1.48. Amazon's just printing money. That's in the bottom line. The top line, the estimate was $36.9 billion. Let's see, they're going to, the estimate for the second quarter, $36.9 billion. They're going to come in with 35.3 to 37.8. The first quarter did come in. The estimate was 3.6. They came in with 3.6. So they made their gross revenue. They were higher in their net revenue. We go over to the NDX 100, and if you want to see a goose inside the NDX 100 into the close, it had it all. NDX 100 went from a price point of 55.63 to 55.99. Bottom line, and you're laying out here at 55.90 right now, and 55.90, what you're going to have is that, no doubt, is an all-time high at this particular point. We take a look at the, what we got, there's so many, EXPE, Expedia. Let's see if Expedia come out yet. Expedia closed at 136.20. That's trading at 134. And numbers go like this. Their estimate was 6 cents. They made 5 cents. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with some more numbers. Well, it's also going to be coming back with our man, Mr. Chris Gaffney, the president of Everbank World Markets. Dow Industrials finished up 23. NASDAQ was, Dow was up 6. NASDAQ was up 23. S&Ps were up 4. We're going to be right back.